Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just talk about keyword optimization. What is keyword optimization? Keyword optimization is a dual aspect of search engines optimization that involves strategy. Okay, it's relevant. It's relevant incorporating keywords into various elements of the web page to enhance its visibility on search engine result page. Here's a breakdown of key considerations for effective keyword optimization. Okay, there are a key of keyword optimization. Firstly, I explain keyword optimization. Keyword research begins by conducting thorough keyword research to identify term and phrase that are relevant to your contents and frequency. Then I explain used by the target audience. Used keyword research tool to analyze search volume competition and identify long tail keywords. The second topic is targeting primary keyword. What is target primary keyword? Select a primary keyword for each page of piece of content. This is the main term you want to page to rank for. Okay, the secondly is ensure that the primary keyword is incorporating naturally into the content, including the title, headings and the body language. The next is long tail keyword. What is long tail keyword? Integrate long tail keyword which are the more specific and typically longer phrase. Okay, these can capture more target traffic and address specific user queries. The next is title tags. What is title tags? Include the primary keyword in the title tag near the beginning. These help search understand the main topic of the page. It is called title tags. It is so simple to explain. The next is meta descriptions. What is meta description? Draft complaining meta description that not only include the primary keywords but also encourage user to click through to your content. While meta descriptions don't directly impact ranking, they influencers click through rates. The next is body content. What is body content? Naturally incorporate the primary keywords and relative terms throughout the body of your content. Avoid keyword suffering and purities, readability and user experience. The next is header tags. What is header tags? Use header tags to structure your content. The primary keyword should be included in HI tag, headings and the other relevant header tags where operate. The next is image alt text. Alt text. What is alt text? Optimize image alt text by including relevant keyword. This is not only for help with SEO but also improve assemblies for user visual impairments. So this is called image alt text. The next is URL structure. What is URL structure? Include the primary keyword in URL if impossible. A concise descriptive URL that in fact the content topic is beneficial for both search engines and use. It is called URL structure. The next is internal linking. What is internal linking? I simply explain what is internal linking. Use internal link to content, related page or content on your websites. Another text, the clickable text and the hyperlinks should include relevant keywords. The next is user instant What is user intent? Understand the user intent behind a search query and create content that aligns with the intent. The next is Google value content that provide the most relevant and comprehensive answer to user queries. It is called user intent. The next is regular monitoring and adjustment. Periodically reviews your keyword performance using analytics tools. It necessarily makes adjustments to your keyword strategy based on the change in user behavior or industry trends. That is simple. The last topic is remember that the goal is not just for include keyword machinically to create content that is informative, okay, valuable and relevant to the need of your audience. Striking the right balance between keywords optimization and user experience in key for the successful SEO strategy. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe.